So women in 3D printing has been around for 6 years now. We've built an amazing community of over 10,000. We have a presence in 25 countries and built a network of over 80 ambassadors globally. But we still have quite some work to do. We know the data isn't great. We still have barely 10% of women in additive manufacturing. This is why I'm proud to announce that in January 2021, we will be launching the first Women in 3D Printing annual conference, TIPE 3D Printing. Whether you're working on technology innovation, industry application, people and culture, economic and society impact of additive manufacturing, we would love to hear from you. So is this all about women? No, this is about gender equality and diversity. So if you're a man in 3D printing, feel free to join us, join the discussion, come and listen to your colleague, your boss, your report, your customers. Hear what they have to say, hear the stories about additive manufacturing. Together, let's continue to celebrate the work of this amazing woman and all the achievements they've made in additive manufacturing.